Good morning, my fellow traders. How are you all today? So just a quick review of the market condition at the moment after the Asian session before the London opening. So let's have a look at what has happened during the night time. Well, the news have been not on my side. It didn't go actually anywhere, but the news were bad. So which is well, not good for Australian dollar. And as we can see, the pair didn't move much. Well, we did have some noise, which took about, let me count, it's 25 pips. So nothing special has happened. It means that everyone has already started to wait to focus, to be focused on NFP on Friday. So that's something what I'm thinking about. Also, Euro pound. Well, the price is going down at the moment. It has broken through the second main level, support level 0.83655. So it might, well, the possibility is that it will go up during NFP, but it also can just simply continue its down movement, by the way. So all what I would suggest you to do at the moment is just waiting for some, well, I don't see any continuation patterns, I mean selling short entries. So what I would offer is just to wait for something, buying entry or a selling entry here. So for now, I haven't actually reviewed what the market is telling yet. So let me switch to one-day chart and it will be a bit more constructive. All right, so we do have two bearish days in a row. And to be honest, yesterday, not yesterday, but before yesterday, it was Monday, we did have a reversal day on this pair, by the way. So basically, well, in this case, what I would suggest you to wait till Friday. Well, I don't know. No, it was Tuesday, it wasn't Monday. So on Tuesday, it was a reversal day, as you can see. Okay, tomorrow we'll have news. Very strong news that can actually shake out the market, shake out the, you know, some of the players out of the market. So for now, I don't see any reversal patterns. Well, I guess that in case if we'll have some kind of reversals, then it will appear at least in 0.83100, or we can just kind of have a week towards like in the middle of Tuesday, somewhere 0.843, somewhere around this area, and then the price will just simply continue its down movement. So that's kind of two scenarios at the moment. So for now, I wouldn't buy it before this level is reached, 0.83100. So yeah, and I don't see any selling opportunities as well at the moment. So the price can have to go higher to sell, and it has to go lower to buy. So that's my view on the market now. So nothing here. All right, let me switch to euro dollar. Euro dollar, by the way, we do have a reversal day yesterday. So not sure what is going to happen tomorrow, but for now it's clear bearish signal. So here, as you can see. So let me switch to 1 hour chart. Okay, so as you can see, that was the point where we had to review our market conditions. So normally when this kind of thing is happening, and I'm not staying for the next session, so which was the second part of the US session, then it means that we are about to sell it. So what I don't like already is that we might actually miss the entry here. Well, I do believe that we might have another tail towards 1.116 area, so towards here, something like this, before the price will continue its down movement. And again, watch this level as well. As you can see, we have this wick here. I guess that some traders tried to sell it around here, and then they probably had a stop loss around this area. So this noise has happened. By the way, it has happened during the Aussie news, during the Asian session. So that's at the moment, I guess the price will be in a range. So, and yesterday we did have a very good reversal signal. So I will place, well, for now, because, well, the levels cannot be counted before 9. So I have to wait for 1 more hour to count them. All right, so, but for now we can see that basically at least, well, 23.6 has already been almost triggered because we're trading zones, not levels. The second level, 38.2, which is almost a high of, not the high, but I would say that 0.5 can even be triggered, by the way, before the price will continue its down movement. So that's something what can actually happen, but also we must know that what is happening now, what has happened yesterday, well, we have to wait for this week closure, by the way, to talk a long term. So for now, it's just a reversal signal on a daily chart, and we can try to sell it today. At the level, well, I would try it 1.1175 at least, somewhere around here. Okay. Pound dollar. Pound dollar in a range. Did expect it to continue its up movement yesterday. Well, it did trigger this level one more time. It did in the morning, then it did in the evening, but nothing is happening. So I will review the market condition in 1 hour time, and I will post it on TradingView, so please follow. Okay, New Zealand or Kiwi. Let me switch to 1-day chart here. Again, a reversal day yesterday. So New Zealand and Euro reversals the days yesterday. We did have a reversal days. So I guess that we have a better signal here, New Zealand, to sell it. Okay, so what can we do here? Right. Again, don't have any levels ready. I do believe that we'll have one more wave up, short-term wave towards this area somewhere, towards here, 0.719572, somewhere around here, and then we'll be able to try, well, then we can try to sell it around there. By the way, let me do one thing here. Okay. Something what I want to do. Yes. The price can actually reach this level, you know, to make it, it's not as head and shoulder, of course, but sort of, you know, so that's something what we can expect and where we can actually sell it. Try, at least. With a small lot, because you have to remember about news tomorrow, so it might be just a correctional move, by the way. It's not necessary, it is a reversal, by the way. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, did expect it to bounce, well, it's dollar CAD, Canadian, did expect it to bounce off this level. We do have lots of noise around the area. The price is still around this area, in this area actually, in this gray area, as you can see. So did try to go a bit further down. I guess to trigger these levels here. Well, didn't happen, so nothing has changed. Have to review the market condition. We'll post it later. For now, let me switch to one-day chart. It does look like nothing. We're in a range, short-term range. Don't see anything here, by the way. Okay, Frankie, on a daily chart, we do have a reversal, which is actually quite good because I have tried to buy it, and you see that, well, I did have a view, long-term view, like the day before yesterday. Let me switch to 1 hour chart. That's something what I have predicted that might happen. Unfortunately, this level still hasn't been triggered. But what we can do, we can actually try to buy it today. Well, using FIBA for now, because my levels are not ready, I would use a 0.5 roughly area, so which is just this congestion, so somewhere around this area. Okay, let me place a rectangle here, so I'll take the last one. Okay, so something around here. So do expect a week toward this area, and then I will try to buy it from here. That's for today. Okay, for now, dollar yen. What do we have here? Did expect it to go down, but it was in a range, so nothing has happened yet. Let me switch to one-day chart. Let's have a look at what is happening there. Well, it's not necessarily a reversal day, just something like this. So to go up, I guess this level has to be triggered, at least 99.937. And to go down, well, let me switch to 1 hour chart because we are in a down move at the moment. And well, I would say this level might be triggered. As you can see, this support here, so which is 102.035. Mexican is going down finally. It does look so. Have tried it to sell a few times and did have a few profits and few losses as well with this one. So okay, so I guess that my view is down today on this one, but not sure, to be honest. So let me check. Well, yes, it does look like a reversal because it has triggered all these highs that have been before. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 highs. So it doesn't really matter because all the stop losses have been above these previous two. No, they are not kind of in a game anymore. All right, so that's something what might happen. So we might have just a down move continuation today. So I would, well, me personally, I will try to sell it. We'll wait till London opening, and then we'll see what is going to happen there. Okay, is the gold. Again, reversal day yesterday, but I still believe that the price is going to go up. So just another correction. So the correction can go till, let me tell you about this level, 1342.25. It's a price action, but it's not a volume weighted levels. 3425. That's something what I'm expecting in the moment and buying from there. So do not recommend to sell it now because, well, basically we did have a selling, well, reversal pattern yesterday, and during the Asian session it has already been worked out. So as we can see, so during the Asian session we did have a drop. So, and it doesn't mean that we can buy now because it's better to sell now because we already had a reversal day. So don't buy today. Do not recommend. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. And oil. Okay, so yesterday, as you know, I have added the new product. So I do believe that the reversal on oil is possible today. I have tried to sell it here. Let me show you, by the way. Where is it? Okay. Yes, so I've tried to sell it here with the short stop loss and it has been triggered straight away. So which is, I don't know, is it good or not, but it has been triggered. And well, in case if the price will continue its down movement, and it can, as you can see, we have this sort of, well, how can I, let me try to draw it for you at least, sort of head and shoulders, something like a very short-term head and shoulders towards here. Because it's not a head and shoulders, so it's just something what we might consider here. So what it might look like. So that's what it is, basically a wick on a shorter term time frame. So if I'll switch to 1 hour chart, you'll just see a reversal pattern here, and that's it. So that's what it is. So probably placing a limit order just like 5 pence above or something like this is probably a good idea to sell. Well, at least to give it a first try. So the price is going down. We might see a reversal here, as you can see, but well, did have a good news on crude yesterday, so who knows? Something can actually happen here. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll speak to you in 2 hours' time. So with a longer webinar, by the way. So where is it? I'll speak to you in it's almost 4 hours actually from now. Okay, guys. So have a good day. Have a good trade. In case if you have any questions, just please don't forget to send me any emails, etc. Okay, guys, have a good one. Bye bye.